Hello everyone. In the last lecture, we spoke about two ways to store a collection of data, which are arrays and slices. We said that arrays are fixed size of collection of elements. Unlike slices, they are dynamic and very flexible, and they are often more used in Go in real-world program. In this lecture, we will speak about maps. So a map is a key value pair of data. Think of a map like a dictionary. For example, in Python, it lets you associate a key with a value. Just like you might look up a phone number by a name or get product price by its ID, map gives us fast and flexible key value access. A map is an unordered collection of key value pair. Let's try to make the concept a little bit concrete. I will do some cleanup here, and let's define a map of scores. A map is defined using the keyword map, and we need to define the type of the keys and the type of the values. Let's have first, like for example, a map of scores for every player. Let's have, for example, the first player is Bob, and we will assign him a score of 90. The second player will be Jack. Let's assign him a score of 85. And the third is Carl. We will assign him 92, for example. And there is one special thing about map in Go. If we define them in multiple line like we did, we need to put a comma at the end of each line. This is mandatory for map. They define it in multiple line. So we have this error if we hover over the scores variable that we need to use it. Let's try to print it. Let's save the file and execute Golang main.go, and we get the map in the console with every key, which are the players or the name of the players, and the value is the score, which is of type integer. Like I said, map, they are dynamic and are flexible. We can add or update the value of each key. Let's, for example, add a key or add a player called Dave, and we will give him a score of 88. This way, using the bracket syntax, we are modifying or we are adding a new player, and this will add a new key value pair into our map of score. And let's also update the score of Bob using the same syntax. and give him, for example, 95. Let's save the file again and try to execute. And this time, Bob have 95 as a score, and we have Dave, which is a new key value pair. Like you can see, map, they are flexible. We can add or update the existing values. We can also delete keys from a map, and to do that we can use the delete built-in function. This delete function have or intercepts as parameters the map as first parameter and the key. So it should be scores, and the second, it will be the name of the key. For example, we can put Bob. Let's save the file again and try to execute. As you can see, now we have only 3 elements or 3 key value in our map. So far, we have seen maps and also arrays and slices. They are used, each one of them, in specific use case, and they can be used in specific programs. That's it for this lecture, and let's have a quick break and see you in the next one.